Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change or delete music on Instagram posts. Let's hop in to the app. First thing you want to select is the picture that you want to upload. We selected this one. Then you're going to click next. On the top corner in the middle you will see that you have the option to pick a music. Click the note icon. Then for example, let's say we choose this one. Done. And then right before we actually post, you want to change the song, something made your mind that this is not the right song. All you gotta do is to scroll down. You see where the song is actually selected. You click the X on the right side of the song and you will be able to again launch the menu and pick a different song. All you gotta do is press done, scroll down, finish your post, include the caption, tags, all the information below, and this is how you actually change, delete, and add a brand new song to the Instagram post. Subscribe and follow for more.